going on today. So this is a clip after the race. Went to the Levi LaValle special event, hill drags. We did a lot better than I expected. I mean, there's only 7 people in my class, 700 stock. I got my first win, which was pretty cool. But otherwise, got knocked out by an F7. Is what it is. I mean, it was a whole different thing. I wasn't expecting to win. I didn't change gearing, nothing. The only thing I did was get rid of my skid. And that's about it. Didn't change a dang thing about it. Few clips at the very end of the video where you can see me race up the hill. First clip is me winning the race, and then second clip after is the race I lost. The GoPro footage wasn't the greatest. It was kind of pointed down at the handlebars. It wasn't really, you could see up. So that sucks. But that would just give it a little introduction. And yeah, it'd be definitely a thing I'll be doing next year. I'll get the gearing and everything figured out. But all I can say is a happy day. The Ultra got knocked out first round. I mean, we didn't know it was going to be a slushy mess. We didn't know where we were going. I thought we were going kind of like incline, not like this. This probably would have been perfect if I put studs in it, but this track is garbage now. We had to cut it out. Didn't fit at all. It was just garbage. So yeah, but hopefully you guys enjoy the video, as it was my first ever race. Sorry about the camera quality again. I was just in the moment trying to get there and whatnot. So hope you guys enjoy, and let me know what to do differently. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. And once in a while, we'll
do what?
Is over there, so we'll flag him down.
I messaged Race Tech and they just told me I could run stock. I just have a can and an SOP head.
You can care like. I just want to see if you got nitrous. Hey, Dad, you got a check vest on?
Yes.
You? Okay, I guess you do.
Alrighty.
You racing?
Hey everybody, if we move really fast and we have time, we have till 9 o'clock. We're gonna run it right to the end. If people want to do grudge racing, we're doing it. You want to do call outs? We're down. But
thank you.
That only happens if we
it's my first time.
So let's do it.
So it's my first time. So
well, congratulations.
We're gonna hit that tree. Show everybody what that looks like.
Duluth.
And
never raced ever. We just raced our trails.
Glad you came, man.
10 minutes.
Got 10 minutes. Good luck.
160.
Left lane victory! Outright improved class. We have race number 17, Calvin H, number 94, Nathan L, number 37. Calvin is in the left lane, Nathan is in the right lane. Nathan's got the right lane. On deck is the 700 stock. Race 18, Braden S, number 5B, and Bryce B. Moore on deck. 37.
top. Hey, my kill switch came down. It died at the top of the hill. I didn't realize the kill switch was down.
Andy B and Dan M are on the line. Good job, Brayden.
5 more people I gotta beat. How fast is the other guys?
I don't know.
He was slow.
I know he was. He had a bet. Because he kept on rubbing the shit out of it at the start line.
He was right there with you.
That's why I moved up.
That's why I didn't get yours on video. She didn't.
Hey, when you went, I could hear it was running like shit. That sucks. We got him next year though. Yeah, you're at a disadvantage. You have nothing. You just have studs.
Yeah, ball track, I go.
We should have thought about that.
I got him on the line.
Well, everyone was in their own deep rut, and I went when there wasn't a deep rut, and I just went. Phew.
I got him off the line and it was
All
at
right,
the bottom.
right
And he got around me and started.
You want to go with me to see if I advance?
Yeah, dude. They gotta go through the whole.
Did they say I won?
Yeah, because the left lane, fucking my right lane broke something.
Yeah, he was just and I died right past the finish line, and then it started right back up.
He got left on the jump because of fucking.
So I left him
No, you're fine. You're fine.
All right, we have Brayden and Bryce on the line. On deck, Jason L and Jack R. Come on, you guys. You can do it. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh, no. Oh, man. Come on. It's like I think I can. I think I can. I think I can.
Oh no.
Out of the right lane. On deck is Andy B, number 189, and Morgan O. You are on deck as race number 86. Right now, Brayden and Jason L. up to the line. Brayden and Jason L. There they are. Brayden and Jason on the line and stage. Again, we are in the 700 stock class. Left lane was a little slow to go. That's going to be a right lane victory. Right lane victory. Race number 86 is up next for the 700 stock. We have Andy